This is a car from quite a while ago, isn't it? When did you buy this? Must be like 2003 or 4.
Yeah,
something like that. This is, what is it? It's a bb4, isn't it?
Yeah.
Jeff import. Honda Prelude. Is the bonnet open or not?
Yeah, it's open.
Now, this is something that we did ages and ages ago.
Off the road for over 10 years.
10 years, bloody hell. So, h22.
Very small turbo.
Very small turbo, but this is an eBay turbo kit. Oh, look at the cobwebs as well. This is how long it's been off the road for.
Whoa. They're load bearing cobwebs.
Are they? Right, okay. They're like engine mounts. It's unfortunately it's 10 years. It's got a few parts missing off it that were there, such as
Intercooler.
yeah, there was an intercooler in there. It's gone. I think that went on to a GT4. Did it? Yeah, didn't it?
Blow off valve. Same place.
Oh yeah, is that where that went as well?
Yeah.
And of course, because it was on DTA, wasn't it? So
yeah.
You got rid of the extra injectors.
It's got Evo injectors. Can't see them.
No, you can't. There's a Mugen oil cap. Is it a real Mugen oil cap, or is it like all the ones on eBay from China that are up £3?
It's been on there that long, I wouldn't know.
And even inside, I mean, it's got boxes of parts from an XE.
From a Vauxhall.
From a Vauxhall, yeah. But inside's not too bad, is it?
Well, it's in bits.
It's in bits, yeah. Because originally, I seem to remember we'd put gauges in there, had we?
Wideband in there.
Was it the boost gauge?
Yeah.
Hidden behind the panel. I can remember doing that actually, that was really cool. So this is going to make an attempt to be back on the road, this is the idea anyway.
It's going to make a comeback.
So,
because now you can buy panels.
because it's not...
The actual underside of the car is solid.
Yeah, which...
It's just the arches and the sills.
And considering it was sat on grass for what, pretty much 10 years?
Yeah,
You just thought it would have rotted away, but in
really
fact,
solid underneath.
there's another thing that we done. This was for drag racing, wasn't it, originally? Yeah. We done this to drag race on the local airfield, which is behind us. You might be able to hear that, I don't know. And that's what it's going to be done for again. I can remember going and picking this car up. You got this, was it Glasgow you got it?
Came from Phoenix Honda.
Phoenix Honda. So these here, so it needs
Rear arches
and sills. And then the engine, that's got to come out. Because
it has a slight issue with this cylinder. As in a ring lens has come off.
So it needs to come out and see what the damage is really, doesn't it? And then you're going to replace...
That's going to be
all that.
Much bigger, yes.
You're going to do a front mounted one, or
yeah, I think so.
Try and do it at the front. And these H22 engines are pretty strong anyway, aren't they?
A set of rods and a set of mild gold pistons, and should see it with a decent amount of power.
You're going to go for 35, do you think?
Yeah.
Are we all going to get these 35s?
GTX 35 copies.
It's the way to go, I think.
For the good, the better ones are the copies.
Yeah. T-pet.
Right.
So this will make a return with some work being done on it, probably over the next sort of few months to a year or so. It's gonna.
Well, the engine's coming out first.
Yeah.
Stripped out.
That's the first thing to do anyway, regardless.
Back in the day,
Body
the
work.
reason it sat off the road for so long because they didn't make body panels, repair panels that you couldn't get them, but now you can. So you can do that. Get it all back as it should be.
The Prelude will be back, and these are really rare cars anyway. I mean, when I was looking at buying my Civic, I was looking at buying a Prelude, and to find a good one was an absolute fortune.
There just isn't any anymore.
I mean, there was ones that had arches not much different to this that were for sale. Well, I mean, they're obviously a little bit better, but not much. Probably that's what they would have been like if you just started getting into it.
Yeah. And
they were looking like thousands of pounds worth of money for them. I think I looked at one that was, well, I didn't go and look at it, but it was on eBay and it was nearly £3,000, and the arches and sills were gone on that. A nice looking car, a real nice looking shape of car.
See if the boot opens still. Oof. They've got a genuine Prelude floor mats in still. Oh, boxes of parts in here as well. Yeah, you can see.
Yeah, boot floor's solid as anything, isn't it?
got a bit of water in it now, actually.
But actually, it's not bad at all, is it? That's good. That's really good.
Needs a good clean out.
So that's it, engine out first, which we might come and do one evening or one day, won't we?
Won't take long to get that out.
Especially not now with all that kind of space.
Yeah. Three lifts.
Yeah. There will be a turbocharged Honda returning. I love this car. I know you liked it because it's your car, but I thought it was brilliant. I always liked it. It's the shape of it.
After it was turboed as well, that had it.
You did, yeah. I mean, it was turboed not long after you getting it, wasn't it? Because originally,
Yeah.
what happened was you bought it and it needed a clutch, didn't it?
Needed a clutch, so I put a 6-paddle in it. Because it was actually cheaper, so I put a 6-paddle in than put an original one in.
Such is the way it goes, weirdly, isn't it? But yeah, so it's had a 6-paddle clutch in it, and then under a year it was turbo. I can remember doing the turbo. I can remember being there for some of it, I think.
Turbo was a weekend.
Yeah. And I can remember it after that, and it ran for. You must have had it on the road for a while after that as well.
3 years.
Yeah. It was great. So it'll be back. It will be back. H22 turbo.
Yeah.
How many horsepowers? Lots.
Hopefully close to 6.
Hopefully close to 6. Those are good numbers. This is going to be an entertaining sort of year coming up, really, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
To build some good stuff. Let's do that.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Don't know if you can see that. That's the Japanese VIN plate. bb4 h22a.